So we will be talking about Flojo's world record, one of the world record that sparked a lot of controversial reactions and speculations all over the world. So if this happens to be your first time on this YouTube channel, I'll be so happy to see you subscribe because this channel is all about giving you updates on athletics. In case you don't know, Flojo is the fastest woman alive in both the 100 meters and 200 meters. She is a very iconic legend, and many 100 meters female runners look up to her as their model. When I finally heard the real story behind Flojo's world record, I was very shocked to my bone marrow. Like, I never expected to hear this kind of a news from an iconic legend. Make sure to watch this video to the end because I'm going to give you everything in detail, step by step. So the American sprinter set the world record in 1988 when she was in an Olympic trials in the US. It was a very unexpected run for her as she was able to race 10.49. Did you know that this Flojo record of 10.49 has now stood for 33 years without being broken by any athlete in the world? The shocking part about Flojo's record is that even the commentators were shocked to their bone marrow because the commentator was already saying that this record is a win aided 10.49. Then after the machine recorded, it was when the commentator realized that the win was 0, but in his mind he already said it was win aided. So that was what shocked the audience, that there was no win recorded. And what another thing is that there was a guy that did long jump the same day Flojo ran, and the tailwind was very high, but hers was so different. So now the question is back to you, audience. What do you think about Flojo's record? Do you think it was tailwind or not?